Welcome to the step-by-step guide to CreditSaint credit tips, designed to help you improve your credit score and manage your finances effectively. The first step is to understand the basics of credit scores, which are three-digit numbers that represent your creditworthiness. Credit scores range from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit. To start improving your credit score, obtain a copy of your credit report from the three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Review your report carefully to identify any errors or inaccuracies that may be negatively affecting your score. Dispute any errors you find and work to resolve them as quickly as possible. The next step is to focus on payment history, which accounts for 35% of your credit score. Make all your payments on time, every time, and set up payment reminders or automate your payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%, as high credit utilization can negatively impact your score. Another key factor in determining your credit score is credit age, which accounts for 15% of your score. Avoid closing old accounts, as this can reduce the average age of your credit and lower your score. Instead, focus on keeping your old accounts open and active, and avoid applying for too many new credit accounts in a short period of time. In addition to these tips, it is also important to monitor your credit report regularly and avoid negative marks, such as late payments, collections, and bankruptcies. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can improve your credit score over time and enjoy better financial health. Remember to stay informed, stay disciplined, and always prioritize your financial well-being.